I guess you must have come across something like this, and of course this. But in case if you haven't come across them, those are called email signatures, and they tend to make emails more professional enough because they appear at the bottom of an email that is being sent out to maybe an organization. So if you're sending out emails to organization, maybe to secure contracts, to gain job employment, or maybe to seek deals, of course you definitely need a professional email signature, and that's what I'll be showing you how to do in this video. So simply put, I'll be showing you how to create a professional email signature, and of course completely for free. Yes, we use pre-made template, and once you create the email signature, you can now like import them to various email services that you use, maybe be it Yahoo, Gmail, or Outlook. Then of course your emails that you'll be sending out to organization will therefore now become more professional. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump into it. But hold on, before we jump into the screen view of my desktop computer, I would like to just pass one information to you. So ensure you follow each of the steps I am explaining in this video for you to get a perfect result, which simply means you should follow them sequentially as I have explained them. And of course, definitely you're going to create the much more professional email signature that you deserve. And in case you're coming across this channel for the first time, Chibuzo Agua is my name, and Blogging4Tech is the name of this channel. It's simply a tutorial-based channel, a technology-related channel, a how-to channel, whatever you want to call it. But be rest assured that I'll be teaching you things right here on this channel. So if you want to be part of this channel, you can simply hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that I get notified whenever I put up my next video. And of course, simply go to the playlist and watch other tutorials based video and learn one thing or two. Now let's jump on to my desktop view for me to show you how to create a professional email signature completely for free. So now we are now on my desktop view. So the first thing you need to do is to open up the email you want to create the signature. Of course, I've signed in and this is the email. Then the next thing you need to do is to open up another browser and type mail signature. So it's already there. So of course, a list will open on SEP, and you have to click the first option, which is mail-signatures.com. So it will now take you to this portion. And of course, like I said, look at the left corner. It says choose email platform. If you want to open, create the signature on Outlook, new Outlook, 365, Apple Mail, Gmail, Thunderbird, Exchange Server, and Microsoft 365. So more other email options are there, so you can click and of course you see them. So in this tutorial video, we shall be using Gmail because of course I've opened my Gmail and I want to create email signature on that very Gmail. So now let's select Gmail. Watch what I'm doing. The step one is to select Gmail, like I said, and here hover and look over to the right portion. You see various email templates. I like going for simplicity. You can actually scroll through to see various templates and make your choice, but let's go. There's a particular one I cherish so much. Okay, yes, this one. So let me select this very one, and of course you see the preview at this portion, signature preview. So any edits you're making on the left hand corner, it will be appearing right here. So now let's start our edits. Let me type my first name, and my last name, and of course job title. Let me see. Okay, let me leave it sales and marketing director. That is cool. Then the Gmail, of course, since this is a tutorial based video, let's still work with the email that is here. You can input your email address. Actually, it still serves more professional. So let's leave this one as a sample video. And a phone number, let's still leave this one because I don't want to input my phone number. You can put your phone number, your mobile number of choice in this two field. Now that's the first field, the personal data section. Now we'll move to the company data section. And the name of the company, in this case, let me use Blogging4Tech. Remember, like I said, ensure you update every field to the information that you're actually using. Like I said, this is a tutorial based video. That's why I'm omitting some, like the case of the phone number. I have to like make use of the one that came with the template. So now the website, and let me put it on the website of my YouTube channel and of course my business. Yeah, blogginfotech.com is a website, and of course you can search on them. Then the street, let me say street, city, zip code. You can input all those ones. Yes. Then now let's move to another important section. As you can see, any edit I'm making here is actually automatically updating in this preview portion. As you can see, blogginfotech.com is now here, and the email, like I left it the way it is. Okay, let me like put in any number for it to see. Zip code. Let me see 440-101. The street. That's the city. Of course. Let me just put in Greenville. Automatically you can see the update is being done on the preview section. Now let's move on to the next section, which is the graphic section. And like I said, importantly, is this a professional signature, so it should have your photo right here. Of course, I've opened my Facebook page and I want to make use of this photo. Now take note how you can easily add a photo. In this section, it says photo URL. Use an image, of course. The specification is there, 116 by 116. And how do you get this email? I mean, this image URL. Of course, many people are confused. Now, let me show you the simple way you can do that. Of course, you can upload your image to any social media profiles. You can use any image that has been uploaded to the internet, right? And once, like for instance, I want to use my Facebook profile image. I have to open it, and this is it. So all you have to do to get this link URL of this image is to like right click, and of course automatically you see copy image link. That is as simple as that. I don't know how it works with Mac, but I think it might be similar. So all you have to do, I'm actually using a Windows PC. So you copy the image URL and head over to here, and of course you have to like select all of this and delete it and you input your new one. Delete the URL that was there before. Now to input the new one, just right click and of course you click on paste, and as you can see automatically this image, that's my Facebook profile image, has been updated in the signature preview. So now the style, you can go further, customize, choose any color you want. This is a tutorial based video, and I don't want to waste your time right here. So I think we should leave all this and skip now to the social media links. I don't really know if this let me see if this template comes. Okay, it comes with social media links right here. So all you have to do is to impute the URL of your various social media profiles, be it Facebook, be it Twitter, LinkedIn, and of course YouTube, and there are also TikTok, Pinterest, so many social media profiles. Snapchat is there. Your WhatsApp link, you can also input them, and every one of them will appear right here. So that once someone clicks it, if you send the person an email, automatically the person can easily go to your Facebook page, your Twitter page, your YouTube, your LinkedIn, your Instagram profiles. You can see how professional this is, and that's the most reason why you should maintain a professional profile on various social media profiles, be it Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, and whatsoever, so that one can easily access your page. So now, like I said, this is a tutorial, just a tutorial base, and I wouldn't want to edit all this and waste your time. So now let's go with what we have here already. So that we'll now, once we're done with it, we'll now move to our email, our Gmail account, and see how we can input the signature right there. So now let's say this is okay. You now click on apply your signature. Automatically it has been applied because we've seen the preview. Now note, you now copy the link of this signature you have created. So let's copy the link, or no, let's leave it for a while, then head over to our Gmail. Now, in your Gmail account, once you open your Gmail account, of course, this is what you see. Now, you see the J icon at the top right corner. You have to click on it, which is your setting icon. Then you now have to click on See All Settings. Now, once you're here, you scroll below, there's a portion, or there's a column that says Signature. This I created before. Let me delete it and show you how we can do it all over again. Let me first of all save the changes that I've deleted it. Now let's go back to 2 steps backwards. Now you have to click on settings, see all settings. Now of course we are now here, and yes, you have to scroll to the portion that says signature. So you see I've deleted the signature I created before, because I want to show you how to create it all over again. So at the moment it says signatures, no signatures. So once you're here, you click on create new, and you name the signature whatsoever you want. So in this case, let me still name it my name, Chibuzo Agua. You can create as much signatures as you want using various templates. So and you can easily name them the name. You can detect which one. For instance, if you want to send, you can create so many signatures. If you want to send to maybe a religious organization, it will have a specific signature of yours. If you want to send to a school that's a higher institution, it will have a specific signature. If you want to send to maybe a digital marketing company, you also have a specific signature. So that's where this name comes into play. So you can name it for school, you can name it school. For companies, you can name it digital, whatsoever. So like let's just create one. So now once you're here, now note this is a portion where you can easily edit or create whatsoever signature you want. Now let's go back to our templates that we have created. This way, now you have to now copy. Just click on copy automatically. The signature have been copied. Now you go back to your Gmail and this portion you right click and you paste what you've copied. And voila, as you can see, the signature you created has appeared. Chibuzo digital marketing, whatsoever, all this link will be clickable once you send it an email. So now once you're done, remember to scroll below and click on save changes. So automatically you created a signature and it has been saved. So now let's test and see if it's working properly. So you now let's go to compose. Let's say for instance we want to send an email. Let's give it two. Okay, let me like send it to anybody here that pops up. Yes. Then subject, let me just say hi. Then email, let me just put in on text, any text I want to. Let me just say. Remember, this is your compose section. Type whatever you want. So in this case, I want to show you my signature. That's all. So now once you're here now to input that signature you created, look at this bottom. You actually see a pen icon which says insert signature. As you can see, let me hover it over with my mouse a little bit for you to see. Now you now tap on signature, and for instance, like I said, the names, assuming you've created so many signature, you see them appear here. Remember the name I gave this one is Chibuzo, which is my name. So automatically these signatures has appeared. So once I'm done and I send this email, and if this person received this email, of course, automatically the organization that receives this will see this professional signature I've created. And you can see how easy it is for you to actually create a professional email signature without spending a dime. Of course, they are completely free. And remember, there are also various templates you can use to create signatures on this website. So if you like this video, simply give it a thumbs up. Share this video for a friend of yours who wants to create a professional signature to actually see the steps and go ahead and prepare theirs. Go to the playlist of this channel, watch other tutorial videos, and of course, you want to learn one or two things before you leave. So we'll see in my next video. I'm giving you a big hug and welcoming you to be part of this channel in case you're visiting for the first time. So ciao, bye bye for now, and of course we'll see in my next video.